Make sure your seatbelts remain low and tight for the flight. We've got a river coming up there on our front right side. This is the Hula Ia River. Guided kayak trips are available up there if you're interested. One of many rivers on the island you can kayak on. This one in particular was actually featured in Indiana Jones, Raiders of the Lost Ark. Many movies filmed there. Of course, some of the other famous ones like Jurassic Park. All these fields there in front of us, that was actually home to dinosaurs in those movies. When you watch Jurassic World, you'll recognize the helicopter in that one. It was actually Blue Hawaiian. In the movie Descendants, George Clooney was the star in that one. He and his family, the King family, owned a lot of land on Kauai. The land they own in that film will be coming up just over the ridgeline to my left, known as Kipukai. It's a beautiful day. Now in real life, this is not the King family land. All of this really belongs to my family. Yeah, right. The Waterhouse family owns everything over the ridge. Well, that's Waterhouse. Over to the right of us would be the Rice family. If you're interested in taking a tour out on the property, ATV tours and zip line tours available. In fact, the longest zip line in the state is right there on the right on the mountainside. I'm not sure how long it is though. I would never zip line myself. I'm actually afraid of heights. And over the ridge to the left, the south shoreline of the island, the town of Poipu is on that coastline. Beautiful hotels out there, nice beaches. Usually this side's the sunnier side. Not right now though. The wind's kind of changed on us right now. Our wind's actually shifted to the southwest. Our winds always come from the northeast, and that's where they were blowing this morning. As far as the weather, yeah, we'll probably dodge a few clouds on this tour, but we'll make it work. Should be a nice flight. The interior of the island, usually, you should kind of assume that's going to be buried in clouds up here in the middle. It's one of the rainiest places in the world up there.
Is this the coffee farm right here?
It is not the coffee farm. It is a hybrid eucalyptus tree. That is the energy farm. We burn these trees for power. That's the power plant there on the right. It only provides about 10% of the power. We have about 8 hydro plants scattered throughout the island, providing between 10 to 15% of the power. The number one power source on Kauai is solar. So where are you guys from, Carissa, Ben, Kylene, and Rebecca?
Laguna Beach.
California. Did some flying in the area. How about you guys, Ross and Allie? Where are you from?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
North Carolina. Panthers. That's the coffee fields down there. Down by the ocean, those dark fields. Kauai Coffee Company, they produce 330 million pounds of coffee per year. It's the largest coffee plantation in the United States. We'll be crossing over their water supply. That's a little lake there in front of us. That's where they get the water for the fields. We'll be entering this valley coming up ahead, Honopepe Valley. It's a private valley. One family owns. We'll talk about them later. For now, let's head in. Let's go check out the waterfalls in there. At Jurassic Park 1, they flew the scientists onto the island in a nice helicopter. Land the helicopter at the base of a waterfall.